Very good morning to all. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the place value chart of Indian system and Western system. Generally, we use the Indian system of place value chart. Let us revise it. Let's take an example of the numeral which contains the digits 755438231. This is the ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place, this is crores place, this is 10 crores place. And these three places belongs to the period ones and these two places belongs to the period thousands and these two places belongs to the period lakhs and these two periods belongs to the period crores. Then let us see how do we write the number name of this numeral. I told that the digits of a period have to read together with the period name. 7,5 belongs to the period crore, 5,4 belongs to the period lakhs, 3,8 belongs to the period thousand, 2,3,1 belongs to the ones. That's why I have written 75 crore, 54 lakhs, 38,000, 2, 3 ones. Let us write the number name. The number name is 75 crore, 54 lakh, 38,000 and 231. We do not need to write in the number name the name of the period once. That's why I have written 231. Then we will discuss about the relation between the values of two places in the place value chart. Let us take the numeral 333333. This contains 6 digits. This is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the thousands place, this is 10,000 place and this is lakhs place. Then let us see the place value. I told in previous lecture how to calculate the place value of a digit in the place value chart. This is 3 ones because ones is the name of the place equal to 3, 3 tens equal to 30 equal to 3 into 10 and this place value is 300 equal to 3 into 100 and the place value of these 3 is 3000, 3 into 1000. This 3 has the place value 10,000. That's why 3 into 10,000 and the place value of these 3 is 3 lakhs. 3 into 1 lakh equal to 3 lakh. From these we find that the value of a place is 10 times the value of the place just to its right. This is the place 100 and this is the place 10. Let us see the place value of these 3 is 300 and this value of 3 is 30. This is 10 times than these 3 because this is 30 and this is 300. Let us see what is successor and predecessor of a number. We can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to that number. Let us take an example. 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. What is the successor of this number? Let's add 1. 2, 3, 4, 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 4, 3, 5, 2. So 2, 5, 3, 4, 7 is the successor of 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. Then what is predecessor? We can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1 to that, by subtracting 1 from that number. Let us take an example. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the predecessor of this number? Let's subtract 1 from that number. Then 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. So the predecessor of the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the use of commas in large numbers.